Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Lock Screen section over here. Following that, click on Screen Lock Type at the top and tap on the one that you wish to apply: PIN, password, pattern, or swipe, which is no security. I will go with pattern, so when I tap, I finally get to create it. Tap on Continue at the bottom right corner of Set Pattern pop-up and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then click on Confirm. Now you can manage all lock screen notifications however you wish to over here. And when you're done, click on Done. If you wish to turn on Remote Unlock, you can tap on Turn On in this pop-up. If you don't, just click on Cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!